Here I have OPPO Reno 10x zoom, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have watermark. You have to enable phone model watermark, then tap here, and here you can set custom watermark. So let's try to set some custom watermark. And now let's try to make a photo with it. And as you can see, I have this photo with my custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.